Thank you. So you up for going to the lake today? We could take a picnic.
Oh, okay. Are you feeling okay? I'm just... Oh, that jinxed it. Do you want a drink? Tea? You still have all of his pictures up. Well, I'm not just going to forget about him. Katie, it's been too long. It's not healthy. You can't just live your life like he's still here. Just get out. I don't need your help. Why do you like this park so much?
Well, because it's peaceful.
Boring, you mean?
Romantic.
I guess it's not so bad when you are here.
Peaceful here, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
I'm really sorry. Do you mind? Can I have some water?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. I love it here. Nice to run. I'm training for the marathon.
The one in London?
Yeah, for cancer research. I lost my mum to cancer. It means a lot to me.
Oh, I'm sorry about your mum.
Yeah, it was hard to deal with her loss, but running really helped me. See, it's tough, and when you hit the wall, you just want to give up. The important thing is to just keep going. It's tough. When you hit the wall, you just want to give up. The important thing is just keep going.